In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add quantity on Shopify. First of all, log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Products. This will open up a list of all the products you currently have in your store. While it's possible to click on each individual product and scroll down to change its quantity manually, there's actually a more efficient way to handle multiple products at once. After clicking on Products, you'll notice a submenu appear just below it on the left-hand side. From that submenu, click on Inventory. Now you'll be taken to a page that displays all your products along with their available inventory. If any of your products have different variants, like size or color, you'll see each of those variants listed separately here as well. Next to each item, you'll find a column labeled Available. This is where you can directly edit the inventory count. You can either increase or decrease the existing quantity, or rather type in a completely new number as needed. After entering the desired quantities, be sure to click on the Save button at the top of the page to apply your changes. Once saved, those new quantities will be updated in your system. If you go back to your main products page, you'll now see that the updated quantities are reflected there as well. And this is how you can add quantity on Shopify.